Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Cezary Sharp, a Polish game developer and assets creator. On this channel you can find game dev tutorials, game jams, devlogs and news from the game industry. I want to thank you all for your support and activity on this channel. All links to my socials and current projects are below in the description. You can write your questions for my Q&A in comments below. This short video is very important to me, because it's my first video with the camera. Almost a year has passed since the last material on this channel was published. During this time my knowledge grew drastically. I want to share it with you. I also want to create a lot of assets for Asset Store and my sites. I will improve quality of my content and spend more time to respond comments and help requests on my socials. I have returned. So, see you in my next videos.